Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So I missed you guys. So it's been a week, but that's okay. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about y'all had to use another flat iron to achieve my silk slay. So some people hair, like some texture hair types can take a lot of heat, and like her hair is one of them. So and it's crazy because y'all can see that her texture is loose. So it's a particular texture that I always, for years, that I noticed that their hair, that particular texture, I cannot explain it. It's like, it's not more of a hair type, it's more of a hair texture, and I can't explain it. But give me some more time and I'll be able to put the words to it. But all I know is it's a particular hair type, and this is the hair type that it takes a lot of heat because it's gonna freeze up easily. But at the same time, you gotta be careful with the heat, because if you don't know what you're doing with this particular hair type, you can cause heat damage. But yeah, like with this particular hair type, every time I get a client with this type of hair, I usually, after a while, I have to pull out the big flat irons, because literally, you know, when you straightening the hair, you putting a certain amount of tension on those flat irons, so you can make sure them plates are nice and tight on that hair strand. And like, I was squeezing as tight as I could, and it was like the hair was saying, what you doing? What you think you got going on? So when that happens, because mind you too, y'all, I've been doing hair for about 7 years, and my wrist, after a while, it tear up my wrist, and my wrist start hurting, and my thumb and my index finger starts to hurt. So with those big plates, with the big, and I'll show y'all, I'll leave in the description below what flat irons I was using. But with that flat iron that I'll be using in this video later on, it has not only is a good plates, titanium, but it has a weight to that flat iron. So because it has a certain type of weight to it, it's able to give me that heaviness I need, so I won't have to be trying so hard to flat iron the hair. So it's giving me the heat, but it's trapping in the heat and giving it that weight that it needs. So I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I just had to tell y'all that, like, if I come across another client, and which I know I will, I'll show y'all again, prove to y'all that, man, it's a particular hair texture, a hair type, you know, a hair texture that takes heat. Like, it's like, it'll look at heat and laugh. And in that same strength, that same hair type or texture, you have to be careful with your blow dries too. So if you are a subscriber or someone that's watching this video right now, and you know that you have a similar hair texture as this client right here, when you're blow drying and you're doing your Silkpress at home, and you've been struggling with it, if you blow dry your hair, make sure your root is dry. Make sure your scalp is dry, because this hair, it'll get dry. The strands will be dry, and it could trick you. You gotta make sure your scalp is dry, because it traps water like a mug, and it can take heat. So be careful. But yeah, comment below. Hope y'all enjoy this video, and y'all have a good day.
I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights, but I don't dare to. I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night, screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know you to admit I used to feel safe next to you, babe. Now I'm thinking I deserve a hit. Maybe someday we could work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, cause every night, hey, I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep.
Baby,
let's pick up where we left off. You and I, lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never